Hi guys, in this video we are going to see about Python for beginners. This is an introduction. This is the question that fitting the minds of students that what is Python? Python is not that even a notice reader can grasp and work on Python programming. Python's popularity has seen a steady and growth over the recent years. Today, familiarity with Python is an advantage for even programmer as Python has every inch and has useful rules to play in any software solution. Python has experienced an impressive growth as compared to the other languages. Many businesses are advised to choose Python for the following reasons: for easy syntax and reliability, high-level scripting language with hooks, famous for enormous functions, add-on modules, libraries, framework, and other toolkits, built-in functions, support scientific computing. Then what is Python? Who has developed Python? Python is a general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum from Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica, which is a national research institute for mathematics and computer science in Netherlands. The language was released in 1991. Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s. Monty Python's Flying Circus. This is the name. Python supports both procedural and object-oriented program. Key features of Python. In a general-purpose programming language which can be used for both scientific and non-scientific programming. It is a platform-independent programming language. The programs written in Python are easy, readable, and understandable. Programming in Python. The interactive mode allows us to write code in Python command prompt. This is the command prompt right here, which I am typing. Print hello world. Now you can see this program will print right down. Yeah, hello world. Even Python in interactive mode can also be used as a simple calculator. In this interactive mode, we can use as also for simple calculator. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. See, this is a simple calculator in interactive mode. That's all guys, this is the introduction. Okay, thank you. Subscribe.